How's it going, everybody? Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Ahmed, and in this channel I do Doctor Who and Torchwood reactions 4 times a week. And today I'll be reacting to Doctor Who Season 3, Episode 8. What the hell?
I can come back later.
No, it's alright, put it down.
What is going on?
I was,
Dreaming about you.
sorry.
Yeah, that'd be weird.
Extraordinary dreams. The Doctor, I'm called.
Imagine if that's actually the reality of this show.
That you were there. As my companion.
Well, I guess the other guys are tricking them. Maybe they got captured and they're being forced to live in this Matrix-like reality. Just a theory, I don't know. Human nature. Okay. I like vague titles. They're not spoilery, so it's good. 1913 is just shortly before World War One. Okay.
Hands like those, how can you tell when something's clean?
That's very funny, sir. Careful now, don't answer back.
Oh no.
Oh, I wish.
I was just
Are they in a matrix, or is this real but they had their memories like erased and replaced by something else?
Hiding? In what way?
That I have two hearts.
Well, then I can be the judge of that. Let's find out.
Imagine if it's actually true. If it's there, then that's the real life. Okay, that's one. The second.
I can confirm the diagnosis. Just one heart.
In a matrix.
It's wonderful.
Oh, I remember
Quite
this.
an eye for the pretty girls.
Oh no, she's
Rose.
just an invention. This character Rose, I call her Rose. Seems to disappear.
Are we gonna see Martha? Oh, Cyberman.
Sir, my uncle had a 6-month post
Wait,
in Johannesburg.
this guy. Wait.
Beautiful country, sir,
Oh,
God's
Game of
land.
Thrones.
Africa. Your father.
You've been reading my post. Make sure the burst is down the pub before you go past the window. Bottle for everyone, is it? And none for the filth.
He's gonna get
Hard
killed.
back veins, I'm parched.
It could be just a meteor, but I mean it's Doctor Who, so it has to be alien. Abduction? Or infection?
Not too cold to be standing around the dark.
There. Look, in the sky.
That's a meteor,
That's beautiful.
All gone.
but that was something different.
Known as a meteorite. It's just
Meteorites.
rocks falling to the ground, that's all.
As I said, this guy's gonna get killed. Or maybe something else.
I'm so sorry, Baines. Jeremy Baines. But I don't think you can ever leave.
Oh, damn.
Who are you? Why can't I see you?
What? Wait, what? I thought they're living like in a matrix or something. Because she couldn't hear his second heart.
Talking to a machine.
What the hell is going on? I'm confused.
That's why I've got to do it. I have to stop being a Time Lord.
That's why he lost his second heart. That's how. Okay, now it makes sense. Maybe a little lost, but okay. Okay, so Martha knows still. She knows what's going on, but the doctor is wiped out.
It's working.
His memory, I guess.
Martha, before I change, here's a list of instructions for when I'm human.
Because once it's opened, then the family will be able to find me. It's all down to you, Martha.
It is the family.
Your choice.
Oh man.
And thank you.
You're welcome. He opened it. Oh no. Oh my god, so many memories. Ah, the damn family, man. That is creepy. Whew. Oh man. Oh man, run.
How did you?
Oh my god. Oh. Oh. It's always a bad omen when someone is carrying this red balloon. Ugh. My point. How did he do that? How did he do that? Oh my gosh, she could have been killed.
Okay. That was luck. Nurse Redfern, might I invite you to the village dance?
She could have just shouted at her, you know.
The Doctor is the man you'd like to be, doing impossible things with cricket balls.
That scarecrow's all askew.
Oh no, don't get close to it. Don't get close to it.
Ever the artist.
You don't have to repair it, man.
How did you learn to draw?
Gallifrey.
Is that in Ireland?
You sure that's not me?
Oh, these things. Oh my god.
You've made me far too beautiful.
Sladine. I hate them.
You had to, didn't you?
Well, obviously, you don't.
Had to go and fall in love with a human.
You shouldn't let him.
It wasn't me.
Okay. I guess we know that before.
Darkness is coming.
Keep me away from the false and empty man.
Give it back, man. Seriously, wow. Man, that guy is even creepier than monsters and stuff. It's the damn balloon. Please run, please run. You can make it, come on. No, I can't. Okay.
I don't understand.
She works at the school.
I think they're creepier than the Sladine family.
To be centered around that
But I don't know
the faintest of traces,
what they're
but
called.
They all lead back there.
It's like his contract comes to an end, and she's going to be heartbroken. Leave for where? All sorts of places.
Don't say anything.
I wish I could tell you.
Don't say anything.
It's complicated. In what way? Hold on.
Run. Just run and get that watch from that boy. As soon as you can. He lived for 900 years. He must know some moves. For sure. Roughly 900. Roughly.
Oh, staff entrance, I think, miss.
Yeah, well, think again, mate.
I love Martha. I love her.
Name it. Go on. Name it.
John, what is that silly thing? John?
Oh yeah, that's right. your screwdriver.
He's you.
Oh, she was listening. Damn it.
I didn't spare you.
Holy.
Mr. Smith, everything I told you, just forget it. Don't say anything.
We asked for silence!
They were silent, you idiots.
Now then.
I don't know what you're talking about. Change back!
If you kill him, you idiots, then it's gone.
She's your friend, isn't she?
Which one of them do you want us to kill?
Oh my god. Why would you do this to me?
Your
Why?
friend or your lover?
It has to be the lover, for sure.
Your choice.
No, 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 no. Why? Screw you, man. Oh. I totally forgot about the time. I wasn't looking at the time. It is, damn it! Oh, this actually took me by surprise. I didn't even think that it was a two-parter. Alright, you guys, so that was my reaction to Doctor Who Season 3, Episode 8. called Human Nature. I honestly thought that this was just a regular episode. And then right at the end I was blindsided, and I didn't even think that there was a two-parter. This episode was great. I really enjoyed it. I love when they do fresh ideas, fresh things like this. I don't know what to say. That was a good episode. That was really a good episode. I guess I'll save my thoughts and analysis to the very end, to the end of the second part. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Torchwood and Doctor Who reactions like this one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.